Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central, and here's a look at the new Alienware M15, the company's lightest and thinnest 15-inch gaming laptop. The Alienware M15 features magnesium alloy surfaces built for both power and portability. It measures 21 by 275 by 363 millimeters and weighs just 2.16 kilograms. It has narrow side bezels to maximize screen space, but was still able to fit a numeric keypad. For comparison, the M15 is thinner than the Alienware 13, but offers bigger screen and better performance. Under the hood, you get 8th gen Intel Core i7 processors along with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 or 1070. You also get options for up to 32 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of SSD storage. On the right side, you get two USB Type-A 3.0 ports. On the left side, you get a lock port, Ethernet jack, another USB Type-A port, and an audio jack. There's more on the back. You also get HDMI 2.0 port, mini display port, Thunderbolt 3, Alienware graphics amplifier port, and a power input. The company says you should be able to get up to 17 hours of battery life with the optional 90 watt-hour battery, but we'll have to test that in our review. Again, this is the thinnest Alienware laptop ever. It'll come in two colors, silver and red. It goes on sale globally on October 25th, starting at $1,299 US. Alright, let us know what you think in the comments. Personally, I'm interested in this for video editing, but let us know what you think. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.